Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing something different. Instead of makeup and beauty, we are talking about health. So I had posted a picture of the protein granola bars that I make quite often, and a lot of people were asking for the recipe. Pretty much 100% voted that they would like to see a recipe. So here it is. Let's start with 1 cup of rolled oats, about 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And now I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of rice crispies, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a tablespoon or whatever little bit I have of flax seeds. Going to give it a mix. Here I'm adding a pinch of cinnamon. You can add as much as you like. Next I'm adding the nut and seed mixtures. This also had dried cranberries and blackberries in it. So next I'm going to add a little bit of chocolate flavored protein powder here. Next I'm going to add the crushed almonds. Now you can add finely chopped almonds. Here I have a 1/4 cup of oat flour. Next, for some sweetness, I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar. Now here you can absolutely customize the sweetness according to your own preference. So next we move on to the wet ingredients in the recipe. First I'm using a nut butter. This is crunchy unsweetened peanut butter. It's very important that you use an unsweetened peanut butter, not the ones that are available in the market. So let's put in this peanut butter, a little bit of honey. So now it looks something like this after mixing it nicely for about 4 or 5 minutes. Now time for some indulgence. I'm going to add some dark chocolate chips to this recipe, just because why not. What I like to do is, before I put it in the baking dish, I kind of like to do the sticky test, which is I take a little bit of mixture in my hand and I kind of press it together to see if it is sticking into like a ball. If it is, then that's good. That means that your bars will come out nice. If it doesn't stick, that probably means that you need to add like a spoonful of peanut butter more. Now let's transfer into this baking dish. I've already pre-greased this one. If you want, you can line it with parchment paper. I'm not going to get that fancy here. So my oven is already preheated and ready to go. That's how it should look like. And I'm going to put this at 160 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes. They're just out of the oven, and so I'm going to cut them into pieces. So that's how I make these granola bars. I hope you enjoyed them. They're full of nutrition, full of health. I hope you give them a try. Do leave your comments and feedback below. Till then, see you next time.